No skills, no experience, no fancy setup. That's what most people think they need to make money online. But what if that's not true? What if you could actually start using nothing but AI prompts? No editing skills, no coding, no design experience, just typing. So I decided to test it. For real. No shortcuts, no hidden advantages, just AI prompts. And my goal was simple. Can I actually make money using only prompts? Let's find out. Day 1. I started with zero. No plan, no system, just a simple idea. Use AI to do the work. Now, the first tool I used was ChatGPT. Not in a complicated way, just simple prompts. But here's the problem. Most people use bad prompts. They type things like, "Make me money online," and expect magic. That doesn't work. So instead, I focused on structured prompts. Clear, specific, action-based. For example, give me 5 beginner-friendly services I can offer using AI with zero skills. The responses were actually useful. Things like writing content, creating simple landing pages, social media posts, email outreach. Now I had direction. Next step, execution. I picked one method, content writing. Why? Because it's simple, and businesses always need content. So I asked AI, create a simple offer I can sell to small businesses for content writing. It generated a basic offer. Then I refined it, then improved it, all using prompts. Now I needed clients. This is where most people get stuck. So I used another tool, Bardeen, to find leads, local businesses, emails, contacts. Instead of doing it manually, I automated it. Then came outreach. And again, prompts, using FlowWrite. I generated outreach emails like, write a short, friendly email offering content, help to small business owners. And it worked surprisingly well. Now let's be real. Not every message got replies, but some did. And that's all you need. One reply, one opportunity. Now here's something important. I didn't pretend to be an expert. I offered simple value, affordable, easy, low risk for the client. And that's what got attention. Now let's move to day 2, because this is where things got interesting. I realized something. Prompts alone are powerful, but combining them is even better. So I created a simple system. Step 1, use prompts to generate ideas. Step 2, use prompts to create content. Step 3, use prompts to sell that content. Everything driven by AI. Now I tested another method, landing pages, using TypeDream. Again, no skills, just prompts like, create a simple landing page structure for a local business. Then I built it. Clean, simple, effective. And now I had another service to offer. Now think about this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be useful. And AI helps you do that faster. Now let's talk about results. Did I make thousands? No, but that's not the point. The point is, it worked. Without skills, without experience, just prompts. And that's powerful, because it lowers the barrier. Anyone can start. Now let's break down what actually worked. Not the hype, not the theory, the reality. What worked? Clear prompts, simple offers, consistent outreach. What didn't work? Random ideas, overcomplicated systems, waiting for perfect results. Now let's go deeper, because this is where most people fail. They try once and quit. But this is a process. You test, you improve, you adjust. That's how it grows. Now imagine this. You do this daily. You improve your prompts. You refine your offers. You get better responses. Now suddenly, you're not a beginner anymore. You're someone with a system. And that's the difference. Now let's talk about scaling. Because once it works, you can grow it. You can send more outreach, offer more services, charge higher prices, and now, what started with zero skills becomes something real. Now here's the truth. AI is not magic. Prompts are not shortcuts, but they are tools. And if you use them correctly, they can create opportunities. Now let's recap. No skills, no experience, just prompts. And yet, results. Not overnight success, but real progress. And that's what matters. If you're someone who feels stuck, this is your starting point. Keep it simple. Use AI smartly. And focus on action. Because action is what turns prompts into income. If you want more real systems like this, watch the next video. Because this is just the beginning. Start now, improve daily, and build something real.